Hello guys, this is my expandable container house. When it folding, it looks like a standard container house, but after expansion, it is the waist changed from the 2.2 meters to the 6 meters. The layout is custom. If you have the chance, you can talk to me, talk to Tina. We also shopping to many other countries, such as the Europe, the Australia, and the Middle East. So if you are interested in it, you can contact me for more information.
Expandable container houses combine modular construction with flexible living space in one efficient housing solution. Designed for fast installation and convenient transportation, the structure can be compact during shipping and expanded on-site to create a larger and more comfortable interior. With modern layouts and practical functionality, expandable homes are widely used for residential living, vacation cabins, offices, and temporary accommodation projects around the world.